Welcome to the Wild Lens, a place where we capture the raw and breathtaking moments of wildlife. Where every story is told from a closer, more emotional, and deeply respectful perspective. Here, we explore the natural world through a lens of curiosity and admiration, hoping to inspire everyone to understand, appreciate, and protect the wild creatures that share our planet. Today, join us as we dive into the life of one of Africa's most fascinating yet dangerous animals, the hippopotamus. The hippopotamus, often called the river horse, is one of the largest land mammals on Earth. Despite their bulky bodies, round bellies, and short legs, they are far from slow or harmless. In fact, the hippo is considered one of Africa's most dangerous animals, fiercely defensive of its territory and herd, even against lions and crocodiles. Hippos live mainly in large rivers, lakes, and wetlands across sub-Saharan Africa. Water is their safe haven. Every day, they spend over 10 hours submerged, keeping their massive bodies cool under the scorching African sun. As semi-aquatic animals, their bodies are perfectly adapted to life in the water. Eyes, ears, and nostrils positioned high on their heads allow them to see and breathe while nearly the entire body remains hidden under the surface. Just a slight lift of the head gives them a full view of their surroundings. Another fascinating fact is that hippos don't have sweat glands. Instead, they secrete a special oily substance known as blood sweat, which is not actually blood but a natural reddish fluid. This secretion acts like sunscreen, protecting their skin from the harsh sun and preventing bacteria from entering small wounds. It's nature's own protective lotion. While hippos are often seen resting quietly in the water, their behavior changes when they come onto land. They can run shockingly fast, reaching speeds up to 40 kilometers per hour. No human can outrun that. So even though they appear slow, they are not animals anyone should approach in the wild. Hippos are herbivores, feeding mostly on grass. At night, when the air is cooler, they leave the water in groups to graze on land. A fully grown hippo can eat up to 40 kilograms of grass in a single night. Their diet may be simple, but their territorial instincts are extremely strong. Adult males often control long stretches of river and are willing to fight aggressively whenever an intruder approaches. One of the most heartwarming sights in the wild is a hippo mother with her calf. Young hippos usually stay beneath their mother, occasionally poking their heads above the water to breathe. Hippo mothers are remarkably patient and fiercely protective. If danger approaches, whether it's a crocodile or another predator, the mother will not hesitate to charge and defend her baby. Hippos also play a crucial role in the ecosystem. They help transport nutrients from land into rivers. Their dung becomes an essential food source for fish, microorganisms, and countless aquatic species. This supports the balance of the entire ecosystem, from the smallest organisms to the larger animals that depend on the river. Ecologists often say, "Where there are hippos, there is life." But despite their strength and importance, hippos are now facing serious threats. Habitat loss, prolonged droughts across Africa, and illegal hunting have caused their numbers to decline significantly. Many regions that once had tens of thousands of hippos now have only a few remaining. And when hippos disappear, the ecosystem around them begins to collapse. Protecting hippos means protecting the balance of nature itself. And not only hippos, many other wild animals are silently in need of our help. Every action matters: raising awareness, sharing knowledge, supporting conservation. Even small efforts can create big changes for wildlife. Thank you for watching today's episode on The Wild Lens. If you love nature, if you enjoy these emotional journeys into the wild world of animals, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and share this video so more people can appreciate the fragile yet magnificent beauty of wildlife. Let's work together to protect wild animals, because every creature deserves a world where it can live safely and freely. See you again in the next wild adventure on The Wild Lens.